Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. This is a quick face routine actually. The other video was eyes, but this is face routine, so I thought I'd quickly go in the MAC Prep and Prime primer. Then I'm going to correct my eyes. Sorry, this is really fast, with LA Girl concealer. Then one of my favourite foundations is MAC NC42 in Studio Fix, so I've gone in with that. And then Biscuit Nars concealer. Just blending that out with a beauty blender. Mind the blender, it's dirty. I did wash it after this video. Just keep blending out until you're happy. Then this is actually Artists of Makeup's first my face highlighter sticks that ever came out, and they're pretty good still, like despite all the ones in the market. Very creamy, very thick, very similar to the Anastasia Beverly Hills ones or the Huda ones. Good product. Then blended it out again with a beauty blender just to make it look all seamless. Then I have a Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter. First time I'm using it actually, so let's see how it sits on my face and makes it look glowy or not. Then I go in with the translucent powder by Laura Mercier. Then again Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit to just give them a defined cheeks again. And then I think we just contour my nose slightly, and then I did the lips, but the video cut off, so that's crap. Sorry guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.